Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to overlay video in Movavi. Directly on a video track in your timeline, hover over Add Extract Track and select Add Video Track. Drag the clip you want to as the background onto the bottom video track. Drag the clip you want to do overlay onto the video track above it. Double-click your top clip on the timeline to open the clip properties. Select Picture-in-Picture to overlay video in the frame. You can now resize overlaid video. Drag its corner handles. Reposition your overlay video by dragging its center to place it anywhere in the frame. Reposition your overlay video clip on the timeline to change when it plays back. And that will be it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.